Today we're doing a feature roundup of the DALI MENUET SE, a special edition compact audiophile-grade bookshelf speaker. Before we learn more, please subscribe to our channel. Also, hit the bell icon to get notified every time we post a new video. Now, let's dive in. This compact bookshelf speaker is built on DALI's popular Mentor MENUET and MENUET series. Sporting a two-way design, the MENUET SE integrates a 4.5-inch mid-bass driver and a 1.1-inch soft dome tweeter in a rear-ported cabinet. The result of this combination is a clean bass response, open mid-range presence, and crisp high-frequency reproduction. Under the hood, the crossover integrates premium-grade Mundorf capacitors and electrically insulating board material to deliver a frequency response between 59 Hz to 25 kHz, a sensitivity of 86 dB, and a max SPL of 105 dB. For input connectivity, the speaker features sturdy gold-plated terminals borrowed from DALI's high-end EPICON series for the highest signal fidelity. The DALI MENUET SE is small enough to be placed on a bookshelf or wall-mounted using optional brackets. The bookshelf speakers are housed in a wooden cabinet with a stunning veneer finish. Interestingly, the cabinets are carefully selected for the closest match and no two pairs will look the same. In a nutshell, the MENUET SE is designed to deliver DALI's superior listening experience while oozing a high-end visual appeal with a compact form factor. For more information on the DALI MENUET SE audiophile-grade bookshelf speakers, get in touch with Overpad support. Thank you for watching.